Buying a house is more than just a place to live. It's also an investment. And one of the benefits of this investment are the tax advantages. Hi, I'm Debby Nesiba with HomeSmart, and in this video I am going to show you the benefits and tax advantages of purchasing a new home. Have you ever had your tax accountant or even your parents or friends tell you you need to buy a house, buy a house? One of the reasons that they tell you that is because of all of the tax advantages. You see, when you become a homeowner, there are a lot more tax advantages than when you're just a renter. One of the very first tax benefits of owning a home are all of the interest that you pay on your mortgage is tax deductible. So from the beginning of your mortgage till up to at least 5 years, the majority of your payment is going to be interest. So let me show you how this works. Let's say John makes $50,000 a year. Now, over the course of the year, John owns a house and he has paid $8,000 in interest. This means that John will be taxed at $42,000 a year rather than $50,000 because he's able to deduct the $8,000 interest. But your interest is not the only thing that is tax deductible as a homeowner. So are your property taxes. So let's say that John has an annual property tax bill of $5,000. So in addition to deducting the interest, he can now also deduct the $5,000 on his property taxes, bringing his total taxable income to $37,000. So each year, your lender will send you a statement showing how much interest you paid on your mortgage. You want to make sure you give that to your accountant every single year. Also, some of your closing costs are deductible, so you want to keep that and also send that to your accountant at the end of the year. But one of the biggest benefits of home ownership is when you actually sell your property. As long as you've lived in the property 2 of the last 5 years, you're not going to have to pay any tax on any capital gains that you've earned on the property when you sell it. Now, this is up to $250,000 in equity. Over the past few years, with the market being as crazy as it is, some people, have made beyond that. But if you've made up to $100,000 in equity, capital gains, you're not going to have to pay taxes on that. You see, owning a house is very exciting, but it's also an investment. And you want to know everything, including the taxes that go along with that. I'm Debby Nesiba with HomeSmart. Call me if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.